His hands will be tied while waiting for the government to pass tougher laws. The Premier is continuing to resist putting a date on when he plans to introduce the legislation to Parliament.
Talking tough on illegal tobacco.
If you're in this business now, it's time to get out.
Superintendent Steve Post has been appointed to help WA Health crack down on the growing problem, but there are fears he doesn't have the teeth to back it up.
Unless the WA government prioritises updating the legislation as the #1 priority, these officers won't have the right tools to do the job.
Public health expert Professor Lisa Wood says there's another part of the puzzle missing too, reducing demand for cigarettes.
So those people who most need to quit are often really heavily dependent, been smoking for decades, and we just don't offer them the subsidised or no-cost supports to quit that we see in some other countries.
Our smoking rates are the envy of the world here in Western Australia. We've got to keep it that way.
But the Premier wouldn't say how his government plans to do that beyond already banning vapes and working on tougher tobacco laws. It's still not clear when that legislation will be introduced to Parliament. That's despite New South Wales, Queensland and South Australia overhauling their laws in the last 2 years. South Australia now has the toughest laws, with the ability for courts to hand out year-long store closure orders and fines up to $6.6 million.
Each state has got their own priorities and their own circumstances.
But those priorities have left WA with ineffective laws to tackle the growth in illegal tobacco. The big question is what price will be paid between now and when those new laws are introduced. Kian Burke, ABC News.